What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this movie we're gonna be talking about Terra Luna Classic because what we've seen so far in the last couple of weeks, in the month of September alone, has been something spectacular. For anyone who's learning how to do crypto, if you are here because you are interested in LUNC, Terra Luna Classic community, well, don't go anywhere because I want to teach you what you gotta be looking at when it comes to LUNC burns. Go ahead and smash the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. More content coming from ClearCryptos. Now, in this time, you're looking right now at this website called Terrarity.io, and it's the LUNC burner. Basically, it shows what's the amount of LUNC sent to the dead wallet. And what that means is we have a total amount of supply, right? And at this time of the video, the total amount of supply is, let me see if I can get it. Okay, here it is. 6,892,148 plus. So obviously it's an amount that it just speaks volume, speaks so much that typically any other type of community token will be done by then, and it will just, people will just move on to the next project and they will just leave it as it is. But Terra Luna Classic has changed the game when it comes to the speed at which cryptocurrency moves, because there are many factors, right? But one of the factors that is critical is that we are in a bear market, indicating that there's just bearish. People are holding cash, they're not spending that much, typically for the most retail investors, because fear is here. And two, we have the TFL Terraform Labs problem, we have the Kwon problem, we have just the bad PR coming from the company that created the crash in the first place. So what has transitioned to this burns is people opting into a voluntary just declaration of gains, where everything that they're earning, they're sending it to the dead wallet for the greater benefit of the community. And that is why we're seeing this massive amount of burns. And in this case, you can see here the chart. I'm going to go ahead and hide myself a little bit. Throughout June and even August, we saw just flat consolidation in the burns up until right now. It was where Lunatics started burning some millions of LUNC, and of course starting September 21st with the finally LUNC 1.2 tax burn on chain that allows other different exchanges to adapt it, and then every time people want to do deposits or withdrawals, they can get taxed with 1.2 tax, and that's it, that goes to the dead wallet. So what's happening right now, it's influencing the price, it's influencing the vibe in the community, and it's important for this community specifically to reach much higher level of burns. By the time you watch this video, I'm sure that we're going to be approaching the 8 billion burn total and probably the 4 billion just by tax alone. We just got to see that. If you're new here, I'm sure you are wondering how you can participate. Well, you see this address. What you need to do is grab some LUNC, copy it, your wallet address or where you have it stashed, Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, Kwon, whatever it is. You withdraw it and you paste that burning address and you send it. Now, what you just did at that point is just deleting your LUNC. You're burning the LUNC. You're burning money pretty much, right? Whether it's $10, $1, $1,000, you're not gonna see that money back. And of course, you're like, Oscar, what would I do that? That is exactly the, the love and the passion that this community has, because they're just doing it knowing that they're losing their money, but for the greater good, for having other pockets and other portfolios with LUNC that they're not gonna burn, because they know that if everybody does it, it is how the supply goes down and the price ultimately, as everybody thinks, can go up. Can doesn't mean that it will. Thank you guys for watching, and that is Terra Luna Classic Burns 101, explaining to you, because so far it looks pretty awesome. See you next time, guys. Peace.